Hi, sweet ones, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we step away from the noise of the world and journey into the sanctuary of stillness. This space isn't just a pause, it's a portal to clarity, peace, and divine connection. Together, we'll create stillness within, and in that stillness, open ourselves to receive the guidance and love of our spiritual team, our guides, angels, ancestors, and Source itself. Wherever you are, know that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Trust in this moment. Trust yourself. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand, and sigh it out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Deep inhale and exhale. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into the present moment. Let go of the day behind you and release any worries about what's to come. There is nowhere else you need to be but right here, right now. Notice the surface beneath you, how it supports you fully. Imagine your body softening into that support, your shoulders releasing, your jaw unclenching, your hands resting gently. With each exhale, allow yourself to let go just a little bit more. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Don't change it, just observe. Feel the gentle rise and fall, like waves lapping at the shore. Your breath is an anchor, a rhythm that reminds you that you are alive, held, and safe. Picture a still lake at sunrise. The water is calm, undisturbed, reflecting the sky's soft hues. This lake is within you, a place of stillness and peace, untouched by the chaos of the world. Imagine yourself stepping into this lake. The water is warm, welcoming, and safe. As you move deeper, feel the weight of the outside world dissolving. Expectations, responsibilities, fears, they slip away, sinking to the bottom, leaving you lighter, freer. Now you're standing in the middle of the lake. The water is still, the air is still, and so are you. You don't need to do anything. Just be. Breathe in this stillness. Let it fill every cell of your body. Let it remind you of your innate worth, your wholeness. As you breathe, silently repeat this mantra: I am enough. Stillness is enough. I am held in this moment. Now, from this space of stillness, we'll open to the presence of your guides. Your guides are always with you, supporting and loving you unconditionally. All they need is your permission to connect. In your mind, gently say, I invite my guides to join me. I am ready to receive your love, wisdom, and guidance. Notice the subtle shifts around you. Perhaps you feel a warm sensation, see a light in your mind's eye, or hear a gentle whisper in your heart. There's no right or wrong way to experience this. Just trust whatever comes. Even if it's simply a sense of peace, know that your guides are here. Take a moment to imagine one guide stepping forward. You might see them clearly, sense their energy, or feel their presence. Trust whatever you experience. Now picture yourself sitting across from this guide. They have something to share with you. A message of love, support, or wisdom. Listen with an open heart. If words don't come, trust the energy, the feeling. It's perfect just as it is. The time is yours to listen. If there is anything else you want to ask your guides, now is the time. You might ask for clarity, reassurance, or simply, what do I need to know right now? Ask, listen, and trust. Before we close this sacred communion, Take a moment to thank your guide. Let them know you feel their presence and are grateful for their love and guidance. Know that you can return to this space whenever you need. It's time to gently return from this journey, bringing the peace and wisdom you've received with you. Imagine yourself leaving the still, peaceful lake, stepping onto solid ground. Feel the earth beneath your feet, grounding you. Begin to notice your breath again, the rise and fall, the gentle rhythm. With each inhale, feel energy returning to your body. With each exhale, feel rooted and steady. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders or gently stretch. And when you're ready, open your eyes, returning to the present moment. You've just honored yourself in a beautiful way, creating space for stillness and divine connection. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day, knowing that you are enough and that your guides walk with you always. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.